Hello guys, welcome to my channel Crafts with Shamu. Please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon. Hey everyone, today we are going to make some yummy and tasty puffed rice laddus. It's a very simple and easy snack to do. It only requires 2 ingredients. So let's get started with the recipe. You need to take a bowl of puffed rice. And the next ingredient is jaggery. You need to cut it into tiny pieces this way. Firstly, melt the jaggery in low flame until it becomes thick. And also you shouldn't add water to it as it loses its consistency and you cannot make balls with it. Now you need to pour the mixture into the puffed rice. Mix them well together and be quick in this process as it hardens quickly. Now take some mixture into your palms and make them into balls with your hands. You need to be quick over here because, as I said, this mixture hardens very quickly. And if it does hardens and you are unable to make the balls, don't worry, just put it on the low flame for about a minute and continue making the balls. But make sure you don't leave it on the stove for longer time because it can burn your mixture. Also, another tip over here, do wash your hands time to time when it becomes sticky. This helps in making them into round balls easily. Keep repeating this until you're done with entire mixture. And that's it, you're done. Your puffed rice laddus are ready to eat. It hardly took any time and only required 2 ingredients. You can easily store them and have it as a snack in the evening or whenever you want to. So that's it for today. I hope you loved this video, and if you did, please do subscribe to my channel. I do a lot of DIY videos, food recipes and jewelry videos. And meet you in my next video.